Hi, welcome all. This series of AI and Machine Learning Essential is designed to give the concept overview of the technology. The purpose is to give you the high-level overview of AI and machine learning and its terminology. So, if you have only decided to learn AI and machine learning but do not know how to start it and what are the complete basics, then this video series is perfect for you. In this series, we will talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning, shallow learning, deep learning, supervised learning, classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, dimension reduction, reinforcement learning, etc. And we will understand them with the real life examples, and we will also tell the use cases and will give the project ideas time to time. So let's have the brief of the technology first. First is AI, artificial intelligence. So question is, what is artificial intelligence? AI, artificial intelligence, is the main technology which is developed based on the fundamental idea of solving the complex intellectual tasks which humans do in their day-to-day life, like identifying the object in the picture, summarizing the things for the humans, helping humans in the discoveries and the technology advancement, etc., so that it can save human time and efforts. And also, these systems have the ability to adapt any new situation and to perform the task with the same accuracy. And we want all this without direct human intervention. Means no pre-programmed logic or hard-coded softwares. Because those hard-coded softwares are good enough for the known scenarios, but they are not able to handle any unknown situation with the same accuracy. Means in the traditional system and programming, the flexibility to learn is missing. And hence the concept of machine learning comes, means machine that can learn itself. So we will feed lot of data to the machine learning system, and that system will extract the information and will develop some knowledge by their own, and then later that machine learning model will use that knowledge to solve complex problems. This will be different from the pre-programmed set of logics like in traditional programming language, where the rules are already defined in the terms of hard-coded programs. Well, these machine learning models have some mathematical transformation mapping functions between inputs and outputs, and these functions are encapsulated in layers. So based on those encapsulated layers inside the model, we define shallow learning and deep learning. Means if there are only few hidden layers inside the model, we call them shallow learning. But to perform the more complex task, we needed deep learning. Deep learning simply means there are a lot of hidden layers inside the machine learning model, means more patterns and more knowledge. Next, we will talk about supervised learning. So, what is supervised learning? In this method, we supervise the learning process by providing the labeled data examples to the machine learning algorithm. This set of examples is called training data set. This works on the same concept like a human learns in the classroom, where teacher helps us to develop the knowledge by giving the relevant examples. In the supervised learning, we will talk about classification and regression tasks, and we will talk about the challenges like underfit model or overfit model. We will also talk about the well-generalized model, which can be able to perform well on the new and unseen data too. Classification is the task where the labels or output are very specific. So the job of this type of machine learning model is to classify the user data input into the best fit class. Another is regression. This method will be used for the systems where the output can be anything, like any random number. For example, predicting the price, or the output is the age or weight, etc. Another use case of regression is data analysis. Later, we will talk about unsupervised learning, and we will understand the concept of clustering and dimension reduction. The job of clustering is to segregate the data inputs based on some similarities in their characteristics. These data points are actually unlabeled, hence it's called unsupervised learning. We are needing the unsupervised learning because of the core challenge in the supervised machine learning, which is requirement of labeled dataset which is not available widely. The use case of unsupervised learning is customer segmentation, image segmentation, search engines, etc. Another term is dimension reduction, which is very important to reduce the efforts in the processing of machine learning model. These algorithms can help reducing the complexity and the size of data by eliminating the not important data and only capture the useful information. This happens very wisely so that extra features which are less important for a decision making can be ignored and only useful information can process. Next topic will be reinforcement learning, which need to be used where machine needs to take series of decisions to achieve any specific goal, and that too while interacting with the current environment. This concept is very similar to the trial and error concept. Model will analyze the current situation, then it will take some decision. If the situation improved by the decision, then the model will get the positive feedback, but if situation goes worse, then it will get the negative feedback, and by this process that model will continuously improve. I think this is enough introduction what we are going to learn in this series. So let's dig down into the AI and machine learning essential series. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to Learn and Grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.